Changing your username on Payoneer can help you maintain your account's security and ensure that your information is up to date. Follow these steps to change your username. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Access the Payoneer website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the settings or account settings option, usually found in the main menu under your profile icon. Step 3. Select username change option. In the account settings menu, find the option for changing your username. This may be listed under personal information or similar section. Step 4. Enter new username. Follow the prompts to enter your desired new username. Ensure that it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or format. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, confirm the change by clicking the Save or Update button. You may need to verify your identity through an email or SMS confirmation. After completing these steps, your username will be updated. Remember to log out and log back in to see the changes reflected in your account.